Hi guys, welcome back to Practice Lab. In this video, I'm going to solve a problem which was asked in one of the interview conducted by Cognizant. The candidate had around 4 years of experience working as a Java developer, and apart from Java, he was having knowledge of writing REST APIs and SpringBoot as well. Now, when he solved this problem statement and answered most of the questions which were asked in that interview, he was selected and he was offered a CTC of 14 LPA. Now, let me tell you what was the problem statement and how we solved it using Java8 Stream APIs. So he was given a list of order objects. So this is going to be my order object, which consists of three fields like product ID, quantity, and price. And he was asked to calculate the total CTC or total revenue generated from the orders of specific product. So let us consider I am targeting P1 as a product and I need to find total revenue or total sum generated from the orders of this P1 product. So I need to calculate basically sum of all the orders of this P1 product. Also, I need to find the average quantity which was ordered for this P1 product. Okay, and I need to solve this by Java8 Stream APIs. So if you consider this list as orders list and my target product is P1, so my output should print something like this. So total revenue for product P1 is 325.5. So how it is calculated? So we have this as a quantity and this as a price of that product. So I need to calculate or collect all these quantities. So the total quantity becomes 10 plus 7 plus 11, that becomes 21. And then I need to multiply that 21 by 15.50. So I'll get the total sum or total revenue generated from this P1 product. And then I need to find the average ordered quantity for product P1. So here you can see the quantity is 10 plus 7 plus 4, that becomes 21. So the average of these three orders is 21 divided by 3, that becomes 7. So I should be able to print that average quantity ordered per product P1 is 7. Okay, so let's get started and see how to solve this problem. So here you can see I have written a class order. Inside that I have written three fields: product ID, quantity, and price. Now let me declare getter setters and toString and constructor using fields. So first I'll generate getter setters. I'll select all the fields and click on OK. This will give me getter setters to get and set the values of each order. Then I'll right click on source and generate constructor using fields and I'll click on OK. So I'll get the constructor using field. I'll simply copy this and paste it here and I will generate a default constructor which will not have any fields. Okay, now I'm done with this. Next thing is I'll just simply generate toString method which will be used to print the product details. Okay, so I'm done with the order class. Now let me just format this and done. So I am done with the creation of order class. Next thing is I need to create a list of orders. Okay, so what I will do, I'll simply copy the list of orders which is there in problem segment. So I will copy this and I'll paste it here. Okay, so I'll select Control O and I'll input this from java.util.list. Okay, now I got the list of products. Next thing is what we need to do. We need to use Stream APIs to find the sum of all the products which are targeted. So here I'm going to declare a variable which will hold the targeted product. So here I will declare string targeted product and I will take it as P1 from our example. I got the targeted product. Next thing is what I need to do. I need to find the total revenue from these orders for P1 product. So I need to use Stream API. So first thing what I will do is I will convert these orders into stream using stream function. Next thing is I need to target product which is P1. So I need to find the products which has product ID as P1. So I'm going to use filter function to filter this list which has P1 as their product ID. So here I'm going to use as product such that product dot get product ID dot equals, and it should be P1. So I will get all the products whose product ID is equal to P1. Next thing, what I need to do is I need to find the sum of all these products. So what I will do first, I will need to calculate the order quantity multiplied by order price. For that, I'm going to use map to double function, and this function will help me to calculate the revenue, which is quantity into price. So here I will make it as order such that order dot get quantity into order dot get price. So this will give me the result as multiplication of your quantity and price. And then finally, I need to collect this as a sum. So there is a function which will be used to calculate this sum, and this sum is returning a double value. So I'll simply copy this sum, or I'll simply store it into a variable of type double. So here sum is equal to the result which we are getting from this expression. Now let me print this total sum of total revenue. So total revenue generated for the product is targeted product, and then I'll simply print it as sum. Okay. Now let's run this code and see what is the output. So here you can see the total revenue generated for product P1 as 325.5, and I guess that is the expected output. So first problem has been solved. Next thing is we need to find the average quantity order for this product. Okay, so to find this average quantity, again we need to use stream API. So I'm going to use orders dot stream. So I'll simply comment out this code. Okay, and now I'll convert this orders list into stream using stream function, and then I'm going to again filter the product which has product ID as P1. So here I'm going to filter the product using product dot get product ID, and that product ID should be P1. So I will get all the products whose product ID is P1. And next thing is I need to find the average. For that, I'm going to use collectors dot average int. So averaging int will give me average based on the provided mapper or the field. So here I'm going to provide order, and then I need to use quantity as a field which will be used to find the average. Okay, so I'll get average of all the quantities for product P1. Okay, and this will return me a double type of variable. So again, I'm going to store this into a variable which will be a double, and this will be average. Okay, now let me print this and see what is going to be the output. So let me just comment out this to resolve the compilation error. And now again, I'll write sysout and the average quantity for product, and here I'm going to mention targeted product, and then is, and then I will mention it as average. Okay, now let me run this and see the outputs. So here you can see the average quantity for product P1 is 7.0, and that is again expected because 10 plus 7 plus 4 becomes 21 divided by 3. It is nothing but the average of that product, or the average quantity ordered for that product. Okay guys, so that's it from this video. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Also, if you have any interview questions which you would like to share with us or share with others, then you can connect us at practicelab23@gmail.com. Thank you. Bye bye.